How do you remove Microsoft Bing? In this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first you need to go to your browser, and as you can see, when I search for something, it will use Bing as my default search engine over here. And now we want to remove this, so you need to go to these three dots, and this should also work for a MacBook, for example. So the three dots, then you need to go to settings over here, search engine. And as you can see, the search engine that is used in the address bar is now Bing. So you can change this to Google. And you can also manage your search engines. And over here you will now see that Google is my default search engine. And over here we see Bing, and you can remove Bing. So you need to select the three dots behind Bing. And select delete. Delete again. And now it's gone. So if I now search for, let me restart my browser. If I now search for the same query, so Microsoft, you will see that it opened up in Google. So this is how to remove Microsoft Bing. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was the case, please leave a like and see you in the next video.